5a, lads, okay? 5e, I'm in. Now, 5e is done the following way. 5e is 7p multiplied by 7p squared. Does everybody see that? And that's going to be 14p cubed. 2p multiplied by 2p, 4p squared. And finally, 2p multiplied by minus 4, minus 8p. And that is that one done, okay? Now, that's question 5 done. Now, sorry about this. All right, there we go. Now we're on to question 6, which is this one here. Okay, and I'll obviously just, which questions on 6 would you like me to have a look at? What? E, C, and D. Okay. Okay. I'll go B, C, and D because they're the hard ones. And I would have done A yesterday, actually. Or I wouldn't have, actually. I did C. Go on, I'll do A. What the heck? All right. Okay. So I'm going to point at somebody to help me out as well. Okay. All right. Off we go. 14x squared, yeah. Yeah. 7x times minus 1 is minus 7x, yeah. X. 3x squared for that one, yeah. And 3x times minus 4. Minus 12x, okay. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to make a list. Which ones go together? Yeah, you have 14, you have another 3. That means you got 17 in total. Good job. Keep going. Yeah. 19 minus 19x. Who got that one last night? You all right? Okay. You got it out? Good man. Okay, we good with that? Okay. Lads, you see the way it's done and how many lines did it take me to do it? Technically 2. A lot of people write out the question and the 2 lines underneath, but it's 2 lines minimum. Does everyone understand that for homework? 2 lines minimum for that type of question. Okay. Now, we'll move on. Okay. We'll go for B now. Okay. 2a times 4a squared. No, we'll change person if that's okay. Go on. It's 2a. 2a by 4a squared as well. 8a cubed, yeah. 2a by 5. 10a. It's 2a by 5 is 10a. And then next one. 3a times 1. And then 3a by minus 7a squared. 21a cubed, all right? Let's add these together. 6a cubed plus 21a cubed. 29a cubed. Sorry, I know I'm taking over now, my fault. And then plus 7a. All right, I'm going to put one on the board for you. And I'd like you guys to do this one now while you're waiting on me. Yeah. Okay, guys, you're doing. My bad. I didn't realize it covered it. Just do the blue one when you can't, though. Just while you're asking that, it's 2x multiplied by 4xx. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is count. It's multiplication, right? So, what's 2 times 4? 8. How many x's do you see up there then? So ax cubed, exactly. Good man. And then this one is 3 times 4xxx. So it's going to be 12x cubed. Sean? Yes. And then. Okay. Now, do any of these combine together? And we got No, the 14 is just an x, so yeah. And then what about the 15 and the 14x? Did they combine together? No, exactly. All right, you guys, anybody beat me to it, or yes? What's your name at the back there, sir? All right, now, gents, here we go. Right, 2y by 3 y squared. Okay, I'm going to ask yourself, sir. Yeah, quiet, lads. All right, now you're nearly right. 2 times 3, 6, and then what's y1 with another 2y with a y squared? Yeah, y to the power 3, isn't it? Now what's 2y times 2y? Yeah, 2y by another 2y is 4y squared, okay? And then 2y by minus 1? Yeah, okay. Now, what about the next one, guys? Nearly. It's 4y by 2yy. How many y's do you see? 3. So what is it? 8y cubed. 4y by minus 6y? Yeah, yeah. Take a seat. Yeah. Multiply, yeah. Yeah, minus 24y squared. This is a tough question. And then 4y by minus 1. Minus 4y. Okay, lads, we're looking at this, okay? What? It does look like 44. All right, so a way of preventing your 4s looking like your y's would be A, finish off make the letters much smaller than the numbers. So then that might make it visually a bit easier to understand. Under it, sort of. Yeah, we'll start doing that a bit more. Now, guys, how many y cubes do we have? And all of a sudden you add them together. 14y cubed, yeah. All right, doesn't matter. 4y squared plus minus 24y squared. Minus 20y squared. And finally, minus 2y minus 4y. Yeah, there's no multiplying because there's no brackets. You only multiply. Yeah, exactly. Okay, now here's what we're going to do. We're going to draw a couple of lines here. 2x by 3x, anybody? 6x squared. 2x by the 4. 8x, okay? Yes, Kyle. They're all voiced over, yeah. They only really pick me up, though, because the mic has to be directly in front of the laptop for it to really pick it up. Before you didn't. All right. Next one. Minus 1 times 3x. Okay. Minus 1 times 4. Okay. And then what about what's in the middle here? These two. Can I combine them? They can't. 6x squared, yeah. What's the next one? You have a, you owe 3. Plus 5, lads. And then at the end, you have a and you owe 3. Okay. Now, gents, here's what I'm looking for you to do now. I'm going to make up a question right now for you guys to do. Okay? No, probably. Quiet, please. I'll give you a hint to start us off. What I do is draw 2 lines. The 4x goes to 2x. The 4x also it goes to the 5. That's your first 2. Did anybody get 8x squared? Did anybody else get 20x? And then the two blue lines are minus 3 multiplied by 2. And minus 3 multiplied by plus 5. Minus 15. Now, the only issue really here is what two numbers go together? Yeah, and what you get? Okay, guys. Now, there's no x cubes because where did you get the x cube from, James? Of interest? Oh, no, it didn't. So the 8 and 20 can't mix because one of them is 8x squared. The other one is x, so they can't interact. Is that okay? Now, gents, the question I'm going to ask you to do now, once again, I understand you struggled with 7E last night, but what I'm going to do, instead of me doing all the work, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep you active here, all right? So here's what I want to do. If I gave you this question here, 4x minus 3 squared, I'll tell you what, I'll show you how to start this off, but I'm not going to do it for you. Are you looking? Lads, you understand we're doing the question on the right-hand side of the board? And here's what we're going to do instead. We're going to do 4x minus 3. And then we're going to do another 4x minus 3. And then we're going to do exactly what we did last time. Off you go.